Don't do this, Wolf, please.
Daddy!
Don't do this, no! This mark will remind you of the man who took everything you had.
After that night, some say he was a changed man. That his spirit crossed over, giving him powers that can't be explained.
Jonah Head.
Coffins.
Thinking you might need 8.
Cut it!